In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can download a Behance project in the easiest way possible. If you've been wondering how to retrieve your uploaded image files from Behance, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Before we dive in, it's important to understand that Behance is a platform that showcases creative work, providing a space for photographers, designers, and artists to share their portfolios with a global audience. While it's an excellent venue for displaying your work, at times you may need to download your own images for backup or other purposes. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to access your Behance project in edit mode. This is also known as the project editor, where you can make changes to your existing projects. To do this, log into your Behance account and navigate to the specific project you want to work with. Even though Behance is intuitive to use, it can sometimes be tricky to find the correct spot to edit, especially if you have multiple projects. Once you've located your project, go ahead and click on it to open it in edit mode. Now, here's where the magic happens. Hover your cursor over any image in your project that you wish to download. What you should see is a transformation in the image area, revealing a small blue pencil icon. If it happens to be hidden, don't worry, you may just need to adjust your viewing angle or take a closer look. This pencil icon is your gateway to additional options for your project elements. With your cursor over the image and the icon visible, give that blue pencil a click. This will open a drop-down menu featuring several options. Among these, you'll find the Download Original option. By selecting this, you'll be able to download the original image file that you had uploaded, retrieving it directly from your Behance project. It's a quick and simple way to get your image back onto your local device, whether you're on a computer, tablet, or phone. Remember, this feature is designed to ensure that you can reclaim your hard work effortlessly. One crucial thing to keep in mind is that video files cannot be downloaded directly from the editor using this method. While you can easily grab images, if your project includes video content, you'll need to save a local copy elsewhere or explore different methods for downloading your videos. Unfortunately, Behance doesn't provide a straightforward way to re-download video files directly from your project page. Taking these simple steps will make managing your creative portfolio on Behance more efficient and stress-free. We hope this guide has clarified any uncertainties about downloading your image files. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tutorials.